I love to bring in heroes of the past or historical figures, people that have already lived, so that I can kind of teach skills and values through those people's lives, and it makes it a lot more real to my kids. Who's a great leader that we just learned about that really likes to respect everyone? Landon, come up here and tell us about a great leader. We just learned about him, and he taught us to respect each other no matter what color of skin they have.
Martin Luther King Jr.
That's right. Tell us about Martin Luther King Jr. When I actually explained slavery to them and the civil rights movement, it was obviously very hard for them to understand that that actually really happened. But by using those historical events, you can really bring current day social skills to them, like how to respect each other and how to appreciate diversity and things like that. So I like using things from the past to kind of make the social skills relevant to them today. Take a look at our web, and then in a minute I'm going to hold up one of our signs, and let's see if someone can read our sign and tell us a little bit more about Jan Brett. Most importantly, with reading, it's not just sounding out the words and knowing how to read the words, it's also understanding what they read. Exactly. We noticed that the author uses cutouts to show what happens in her pictures. What else, Sarah? This is the grade that I hope they become true lovers of literature.
Country Lane Elementary brings us Allison Thomas. Allie is a first grade teacher. She has been teaching for 9 years, and the last 2 are in her current position. Allie also is Nationally Board Certified. Janice Caldwell.